In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to renew a domain on Hostinger, step by step. If you have a domain that's about to expire, renewing it on time is extremely important because if a domain expires, your website can go offline, emails may stop working, and in some cases, someone else could even register that domain if it becomes available again. The good news is that Hostinger makes the renewal process very quick and simple, and in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the entire process from logging into your dashboard all the way to completing the payment. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to renew your domain in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then click on Login in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password associated with your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Hostinger dashboard, which is where you manage your hosting, domains, websites, and billing settings. From the dashboard, look for the section called Domains. This is where all the domains connected to your Hostinger account are listed. Click on Domains to open the Domain Management area. Inside this section, you'll see a list of all the domains you own through Hostinger. Take a moment to locate the domain name that you want to renew. Hostinger usually shows the expiration date next to each domain, which makes it easy to see which ones are close to expiring. Once you find the domain that needs renewal, look to the right side of that domain listing and click the button labeled Renew. This will open the renewal settings for that specific domain. After clicking Renew, Hostinger will ask you to choose the renewal period. This means selecting how long you want to extend your domain registration. Typically, you can choose options like 1 year, 2 years, or sometimes even longer periods depending on the domain extension. Many people choose 1 year, but if you plan to keep the domain long-term, selecting multiple years can save time and ensure you don't have to worry about renewal again for a while. Simply click the renewal period that works best for you. Once you select the renewal duration, the next step is choosing your payment method. Hostinger supports several payment options depending on your region. You might see options like credit card, debit card, PayPal, or other online payment methods. Select the payment option you prefer and review the total cost shown on the screen. Hostinger will display the final renewal price before you continue, so you know exactly what you're paying for. After confirming the details, go ahead and proceed to complete the payment. Enter your payment information if required and confirm the transaction. Once the payment is successfully processed, Hostinger will automatically renew your domain and extend its expiration date based on the period you selected. You should also receive a confirmation email showing that the domain renewal was successful. And that's all there is to it. Your domain is now renewed, and your website will continue running without interruption. As a quick tip, you can also enable automatic renewal inside Hostinger, so your domain renews automatically before it expires, which helps prevent accidental downtime. And that's how to renew a domain on Hostinger, step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials about websites, domains, and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.